My research looks at the ethical issues that are raised by new technologies, particularly biotechnology relating to human reproduction. So it seeks to answer, or at least better understand, the difficult ethical questions that new technologies raise. New biotechnologies have got a great potential to benefit the whole of humankind, and indeed the whole living world, but they also bring with them risks and the possibility of being misused. And so the work that we do in bioethics seeks to make sure that we use new technologies responsibly and in an ethical way and in a safe way, and that access is fair and appropriate for populations. So really the scope of the benefit is enormous. It could be the whole population of the world. One thing that we've been looking at recently is a thing called in vitro gametogenesis, or IVG. And this is a technique which allows us to make eggs or sperm from any bodily cell, and it's already had some success in non-human animals. So obviously if this became possible in humans, which it may well do, in 10 years or 20 years time, or maybe even less, this would allow all sorts of exciting new biological family forms in humans. So you could, for instance, have 2 male biological parents, 2 female biological parents, and all sorts of interesting reproductive combinations will become possible. I feel that the research I do fits into the School of Global Affairs really well and aligns with its values. For one thing, it's interdisciplinary research. I found in recent years in particular that I found it very fruitful to work with people from other subjects, including English literature, psychology, design, linguistics. So the project I have at the moment is very interdisciplinary. The school's research is very engaged, and by which I mean it engages with external stakeholders, either in the research process or in the dissemination and sharing of the research findings. And I think that gives the school a unique opportunity to do research which has impact at a number of different levels. So I know people are working with local authorities and with local schools, and plenty of people are working at national level with policy bodies and government. And also internationally, we have people working with the United Nations, and also we've been working with European bioethics commissions from across the continent. So yeah, it's a very engaged school from a research point of view, and I think that means it's very likely to have impact, and people will want to use the research and interact with it.